Welcome to Seeds of Thought, and thanks for stopping by. Today I want to introduce you to what I call the legacy ladder, how to live a life that outlives you. Build a legacy of wisdom, values, and impact that changes generations. So here's a question most people avoid. When your time is up, what will they say about you? Will they remember you as someone who simply got by, or as someone who left a mark so deep it shaped the way others lived for decades? Here's the hard truth. Most people spend their entire lives chasing comfort and paychecks, and when they're gone, they leave behind no blueprint, no values, no guiding principles for the people they love. A real legacy isn't about what you leave in their hands, it's about what you leave in their hearts and minds. Today, I'm going to give you the Legacy Ladder, a mindset framework that ensures your life's lessons, values, and vision live on long after you're gone. In the last 5 videos, we've talked about breaking free from the systems that keep you stuck. We've built habits that outlast motivation. We've learned to choose the right strategies and scale them. But here's the truth. Personal growth without legacy is wasted potential. Because the ultimate success is not just what you achieve, it's what you pass on. But here's the pain of an unlived legacy. It's heartbreaking to watch. Parents who never told their children what truly mattered to them. Leaders who inspired strangers but never empowered their own family. People who spent decades working but never taught their loved ones how to live with purpose. Most lives end with unrealized wisdom locked inside, wisdom that could have guided others if only it had been shared. The legacy ladder consists of 5 rungs, and they must be climbed in order. Rung 1, know your core principles. What values guide your life? What non-negotiables have shaped every decision you've made? If you can't name them, no one else will remember them. Rung 2, be the example others can follow, not a mouthpiece. People follow examples, not lectures. Your actions speak louder than anything you say, so live in a way you'd be proud for others to copy. Rung 3, pass down life lessons. Intentionally document your key life lessons. Share your failures as openly as your wins. Teach the thinking patterns, not just the steps. Rung 4, empower the next generation's mindset. Don't just tell them what to do, teach them how to think. Encourage critical thinking, self-responsibility, and resilience. Help them build an inner compass so they can lead themselves. Rung 5, impact beyond your circle. Mentor, someone who has no way to repay you. Start a movement, a message, or a project that reflects your values. Leave behind ripples that reach far beyond your immediate relationships. Section 3. What happens if you don't act? If you don't build a personal development legacy, your wisdom dies with you. The next generation repeats your mistakes instead of building on your progress. Your influence fades within a few short years. It's not about ego, it's about stewardship. You are responsible for the lessons you've learned. Section 4, Legacy Builders versus Legacy Leavers. Legacy builders live their values daily, share wisdom openly, inspire through action, not just words, equip others to grow without them. Legacy leavers let life happen without intention, hide their struggles instead of teaching from them, assume others will figure it out, die without passing on the mindset that made them who they were. Final push, your next move. This week, write down the top 5 lessons life has taught you. Choose one person to share them with, then live them so consistently that no one in your circle can miss the example you're setting. Here's the final call to action. This is bigger than money. This is bigger than recognition. Legacy is living in such a way that your influence becomes immortal, not because your name is famous, but because your values live on in the people you've touched. Don't wait for the right time to start building it, because the right time is now. Subscribe, smash that like button, and commit to becoming the kind of person whose life echoes for generations.